moisturize and put on our water. And just go lie down. 2 nights pass, you know what I'm in a bed. You don't believe me, ask God. 2 nights pass and me no bed. I no bed, me no want bed. But me a drive and me go sleep. When me go town the Monday, and me say, Mommy, yo, me tired, you know, I want to sleep, you know. And she say, sure you can drive go town? And I say, yeah man. As long as I did that, I ask my dad to talk to me, I play my music, me good. But if I want in the car, I want to sleep, so I not chance it. I not chance it. So last night when I go to Bums, I come off of the road, because I leave mushkil in my mother, you know. And to tell you the truth, all the clothes then dirty up. All of the clothes then dirty up. Me have 2 big garbage bags and some other small bag and one basket. I still have clothes in the house, you know. I have a car then go give my sister yesterday. Could manage them. You see me? That's why I see family me have, I'm glad. Because as I say, it reached to a point where I feel like I'm mad out. I find myself a talk to myself. So I feel in our day. This is not easy, bro. It's not easy. When people ask me, say, how you doing? I say, I do alright. And I always try to smile. And I pray to God, say, Father God, just give me strength, you know, because I don't want me to go down. And I like how Neisha down, and the 2 hours down, and the baby did it, and then like foolish start going. I don't want that. But as I say, we know like our nurse, we are like nurse out of the hospital and so too. We are all watching live. We just want, you know, touching with Neisha, you know, check up on her thing, I don't want to please, or check in on her. Remember she there around there and just play the bars, you know, just go down, Neisha walk, go and rub down her head and then something there and talk with her, motivate her and everything there. You see me? Because I know all them place they run. Yeah man, so I ask the nurse them to help me to bro. Because them look thing they help, you know. You know? Just to walk up to Neisha and say, you know, Neisha, you alright today, you good? Even though I know they must do it still, you know, they are going to do that. They must do that. But I'm just saying, we just want it to be like that. Someone want it to be like that. So she can know that people really care. You don't say all when Neisha is sick, you know. You know she still sick. When time me have her and something and she never feels so good. Me never did really like feel that way, but me not feel like without crying and something there. Cause I just know say yo, okay, I get better. But you see from this happen, like me start to see some whole heap of things. But me I feel just as a journal and yo, as I said, this is going to be like a story time. Because I don't want to talk certain things. It will be like a story time at the end. Because Neisha going to live, you know. Tell me and tell you that, you know. Here, Neisha is a strong black woman. You know that for a fact. Neisha is a strong black woman. And I say she go through it and she fight it. This, she go pull through. I can't tell you. She go pull through. Guys, tell TJ and Kitty to me soon forward. Me no want, I'm tell you, me take it and TJ to me soon forward. I'm gonna go over there.
Owie.
Oh, see
What
that.
about Kitty and TJ?
Owie.
Eh?
What? You hear me?
Yeah, me hear you.
Yesterday, we there say we can come together, but them they tell me say you have the link in your paper, in your bio still the PayPal.
Yeah.
But people did want to reach out to me and say they want help you, they'll sell you, cash up and them something. But I tell them me not do that. Them say them not PayPal. I tell them me have to wait to you.
Zell record Jamaica.
I tell them say me not do that part without you. You do that thing there. You have to get that done.
Me not have them something there.
You're not have
PayPal.
no, the people them not have PayPal. People will have Zelle alone. Them say them want Zelle. Me tell them say.
Yeah, but them not can send straight to account or Western Union.
And everybody remember America this TJ. People gonna work. People just want to sit down in the office and Zelle something.
Oh, with Zell no record Jamaica, so I don't know that to go work out. But we kind of late. So how things now, Owie?
How things, Owie?
That, I'm telling you. Alright, good. Everything. Me no have to try to talk and go back in our position and maybe like yesterday.
Okay.
Okay.
Do it
But
for him.
things are kind of look better. Right, they can look better.
So what about the Pampers? Because the people are asking, Pampers can't too much and insure, so.
No.
I buy water pampers here yesterday. Buy a whole heap of pampers. So I don't leave all of them down there. Down there.
So what else? You need more things?
You might need more Pampers for sure. We know that because Pampers use every minute, TJ. That use right through. But people are DM me every minute. I say, Kitty, in the life, come live, whatever, and so forth. And a lot of people are reach out. Just like Aranka yesterday said them want sell money, but you know them they are foreign. I don't know.
It's like the income squad and something there. And then they never try to get to them.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, say that Kingston.
No, me there center man. Me there like
Oh, the fat side.
alright, me there like an hour and 20 minutes away from Neisha.
Maya, do you want to go look fair, you know?
Yeah, me I reach down there by 4, you know. But 4 me I reach before the time they do. But me realize that when I go down there, you can ensure everything in about them never did let me in straight with it. You have to go for one part to get some paper and go back down at the security. I want bag of something.
Maybe alright. Maybe alright, guys. What I like.
Like, you don't have cash up, can do that. I only have Zelle, I don't have cash up. I may have Western Union on my phone. We could have just Western Union always same time.
Yeah, them have an app. Them have a Western Union app now.
Yeah, I have the app on my phone, so I say I could have just Western Union it to him same time, pan the live, yeah, so everything do pan the live, I defend that. Because them say, see my moderator say she wants Zelle something, say I ask if you have 90 and them something there, she want, you know, you take the Zelle.
Red Dance try add.
No, not that time.
Me buy 90 and everything yesterday, you know. Yeah, man.
So I just pretty much Pampers alone left. Or more.
We can't sign him
Alright.
up on Zelle.
Me buy like a good amount, but the reason why I say me not push it to the extreme, I want you to try to walk. I want to go there and try to make you walk. I not try to think in my head say I want to pile up with Pampers like she was staying in Pampers forever.
Oh, okay. I understand yes, sir.
More.
Yeah, but you don't want to run out neither.
No man, based off we not gonna run out. It sound like him have enough. Him just want to focus and just try to get active.
Okay, so you have enough.
Yeah, I have enough if you can keep her for long. But I just want to go there and help to get her for more to walk connect with them. That more.
Okay.
You know.
If you want to see Pampers then yeah, tell me to you.
Okay, him guys, him say him have enough pampers, you know.
Some people ask if the baby need anything, Owie.
Send the money to Neisha. What's
Yeah,
your
Owie.
Eh?
Ask if the baby need anything.
My people them here what people what me know and
Alright.
people who always upon my life. Uno zell me. Who have me zell, uno zell me the on the life right now is Western Union to Owie. Me not do nothing half of the life, me I do it with brightest up on the life. So like Miss J, my moderator Miss J sell the money to me sell it to me Western Union to Owie right now. You understand? Cause money can't too much. You have a baby, you have to buy gas. You have a baby, you have to buy gas, you have to buy food for the body. So money can't too much, me really took it out.
Kitty,
Yeah?
tell you what my plan for. It's like, I want to make sure I have a money. So when time the them coming back, we can take care of them.
So that's why we get the money now. See people are sitting ready.
So I don't want to when anything come like come to the show. And them say they want X, Y, because it's expensive, you know.
Yeah, I know.
So that's why I say, oh, we make we collect up on my platform. So see people say, yes, Kitty, they're ready. Make we collect up or we are collect up because you need money for move around, a baby, a medication, them, every little thing. You understand? So you get the help now, Owie, take it, trust in God and believe she go still come through, she go still walk.
Come on, come on, pull it through,
Our
bro.
faith are gonna live. The healing are gonna come through everything. You understand? See people ask me what Mazel. So guys, Mazel, wanna take the number, guys, take the number. Wanna take the number, chat.
Don't be about no family come down, man. Wanna be about that.
Wanna take the number, wanna ready for your number?
Wanna be about who I got. Let me see. Guys.
Let me tell you, guys, let me tell you what I want to do too. I don't know if it can work like this. Like, if we can have somebody down there like us down there for the entire day, like a nurse or something, if we can do so. Or like to pay them to do, you know? For Neisha.
Oh, you want
You want
nurse?
a nurse to literally stay with her at her foot.
Yeah, like if anything, there are food. I don't know if we can do, but I that more than one.
So a public, which one? She there hospital now, right?
Yeah.
But them say them say she not gonna have no personal nurse. And you like want have a nurse assigned to her.
When I go there, bro, she want support, bro. I see it.
Guys, you know ready?